Today in this video we are talking about NRI account, what are the benefits of NRI account and how much interest do we get on NRI accounts and what are the documents required for it. Let's talk about. Hey guys, this is Akshay Kumar and welcome back to the new fresh video guys. Yes guys, today in this video we are going to talk about NRI accounts. I will give you a complete information basically, and make sure you have subscribed to my channel, press that bell icon with all notifications on, so whenever I will upload a more informative videos you will get notified automatically. So the very first thing, what is NRI? NRI means non-resident Indian. Yes, okay. Well guys, being an Indian seafarers, we get a special account which is a seafarer NRI account or a mariner's NRI account. Well, in the NRI accounts there are two accounts are going to be open in the bank account. First is a NRE account and the second is NRO account. Now what is NRE? NRE means non-resident external. Yes guys, NRE means non-resident external. NRE account is used basically to transfer or deposit the fund into this particular account from outside of India. Means whatever money was earned from outside of India, that money comes into this bank account. You cannot deposit a Indian currency into this bank account. Okay, it is meant for a foreign exchange or foreign currencies only. Second account is NRO, which is a non-resident ordinary. Well guys, this account is open and useful for Indian currency. That means if you have any income source within India, so that money you can deposit directly into NRO accounts. So now what are the differences between these? Well guys, there is a very big difference between these bank accounts, because NRE account is a tax-free account. Whatever money you earn outside of India, it is tax-free. You don't have to pay a single rupee of tax to government of India. And why government of India gives this opportunity, gives these benefits to NRIs, that also I will talk about. And the NRO is a taxable account where you have to pay a tax. Okay, so whatever money you deposit into that, 30% of that will be taken by government of India. So now let me share with you why government of India does not charge a tax on a NRE accounts. So being an Indian seafarer, whatever money we earn, why government of India does not charge a single rupee tax on it? Well guys, it has a history. Well guys, in 1998 when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was in power, by that time India had gone through a very big crisis where Indian government was facing so much of bad time to pay even a salaries to the government employees. There was such a big crisis for money. So well guys, by that time all the NRIs, peoples who were living outside the India and earning outside, they had sent millions and billions of rupees, millions and billions of dollars to India, and that's why India was able to hold their economy. So basically guys, NRIs, they are directly contributing in a GDP of India. All the NRIs, they directly contribute in the economy of India. So it is a very great thing, because guys, all those people who are living in India, spending in India, it does not give so much of benefits to an Indian economy. But guys, what happens here now, suppose, let me take an example of me. I am the person who went abroad. Like suppose I am earning in dollars. Let me take my salary is $2,000, right? So now without using a single resource of India, I am simply earning a money. I am eating of America, I am doing shit in America, I am living in America, but when my salary came, I am directly depositing it into my bank account, in my NRI bank account in India. So basically I am living in America right now, but that money Indian government has. So they are using our money, and over it we are directly depositing a forex into India. So Indian government getting a dollars. So this is why guys, we are directly contributing in the economy of India. And the Atal Bihari Vajpayee, when he was in power, he had given a tribute to all the NRIs to making all the money tax free. And that's how after that most of the peoples, they transfer their bank accounts into India, because being an NRI you have opportunity, you can keep your money outside the India as well. Like suppose I get the salary into a bank account which is American based, so if I want, I can keep my money in America only, but we send that money to India. So that is why we got the tribute. But that is a very great thing and we must support our country. Okay guys, so this was a basically small history about why the NRE account is tax free. Okay, so now let me share with you, do we get an interest on NRI or NRE accounts? Well, let me talk about first of all NRO account. Well guys, if you guys know that now whatever money was earned into India, that goes into NRO account, and whatever money is earned into India, the account which is NRO account, yes, you get interest on that, which is basically a kind of a saving account. Okay, And if even though if you have a saving account in any of the bank and you would like to create or open any of the NRI account in the same bank, so your saving account get convert into NRO account, and for the additional NRE account gets open. But it has some documentations procedure which you must have all those documents in order to open NRI account. You cannot just simply open it. What documents are required, I will tell you about that. Okay, so NRO account is taxable, but yes, we get an interest on it. Okay, but most of the people, most of the Indian seafarers, they do not transfer the money into NRO account, they transfer the money into NRE account. So now let me talk about, do we get interest on NRE account? So the answer is yes, we do get interest on a NRE accounts. Okay, and how much interest do we get percentage? That is going to depend basically bank to bank. Now these interest rate completely depends on the banks, how much they are offering, but most of the time they do offer. We also have opportunities to keep FDs and all those banking benefits what other people get, we also get on these accounts. Okay, so now let me share with you what are the benefits of opening NRI account. Now guys, very first benefit which I told about, you can open your NRO NRE account, and when you transfer your money, so your money becomes tax free. So whatever money you have, you don't have to pay a single rupee tax, and even though whatever interest is earned on that money, because I know so many of people will ask me, what about the interest we earn on that money, is it that is also taxable? No guys, it is not taxable, that is also tax free. Okay, that is the most top and the biggest benefit we get. And after that, you will get a VIP account in any of the bank account where you open your NRI account. Basically guys, NRI account is a VIP account, and directly manager will be in the contact of you, and whatever work you want to get done, and you can just simply basically contact to manager, relationship manager. Okay, so guys, these are some benefits. And guys, there are so many benefits, like you will get a VIP debit card which will be free of cost for the lifetime. You don't have to pay a single rupee for that. You will get a free, means everything is free, mostly everything is free, and there is no cost to open NRI account, but you require a documentation. That is the important thing, because if you go and visit any of the branch and you tell them you want to open an NRI account, you will be treated as a VIP customer. Okay, so now let me share with you what documentations are required if you want to open a NRI account. So now let me share with you when I had gone to the bank, so what documents was asked to me. Okay, so I'm going to share that thing with you, and rest of the details will be depending on the bank procedures. Okay, now very first thing is guys, if you want to open NRI account, then definitely you require a passport, then you require a visa. Basically I had a visa of USA, so that visa, and then second thing you require a CDC, which is a continuous discharge certificate, basically Indian seafarers identity document that you have to produce. Then second thing, you have to produce your contract letter, that's you are going to work abroad, so that contract letter is required. The second thing, and after this you require a government ID proof of India, means which can be any Aadhaar card, voter ID card, means just to verify your address. And then over it you will be required some photographs, and you will be required a check. Well guys, there is an initial funding to open this bank account, and I had paid a 16,000 rupees, and that's total 60,000 rupees reflected into my NRO account. Okay, so there is an initial funding for this bank account. Some of the banks they charge 10,000 rupees, but some of the banks they charge 15,000, 20,000. Okay, but that is not charges for this account, that is basically a initial funding to activate this bank account. Okay, so these are some documentations will be required, and definitely you will be required a PAN card, which is basically going to be linked with your NRO account, not NRE, because NRE account is tax free. All the banking people, they know that. Okay, so guys, these are some details about NRI account. If I missed something, so please make sure you ask me in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed till now, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It really motivates me to keep making such videos for you guys, and if you haven't done that, please do it. Okay, and please tell me how was the video in the comment section, and if you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram ID link is given down in the description below. You can basically follow me out there, and you can have your personal questions to me, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.